Welcome traders, and in today's video we will explore the powerful practice of mindfulness and how it can enhance your trading performance. As we all know, trading can be emotionally challenging, and maintaining your focus and emotional balance is crucial for making sound trading decisions. As I'm recording this, it's currently August, and during the summer period, historically, trading can be a little bit more choppy. It can be a little bit more slow and a bit more difficult because so many of the big players decide to take some time off for the summer. I myself have definitely seen this in the Forex markets. I have found it to be a little bit more slow, a little bit more choppy, and that's why I thought this video would be useful today to share with you, because mindfulness can really help us to harness our focus and our control, especially during periods of uncertainty and choppiness in the market. And if you're new to my channel, welcome to Mindful Trading. My name is Emily and I am a full-time Forex trader. I day trade pound dollar most days, and I am also a full-time mother. In addition, as I'm recording this, I'm currently around about 33 weeks pregnant, so I certainly have a lot going on at the moment. And I do day trade in my live account with FXView as well as in my account with the prop from the 5%ers. This is a funded account where we take a split out of any profits that are made on the account. I have created a separate video with more information about the 5%ers and prop firms in general if you're new to the concept, but they are a brilliant way of being able to make more money if you struggle with lack of capital as a trader. In fact, the 5%ers are definitely my prop firm of choice because with their programs, they have removed any time limit, which means that all you need to do is respect the rules and hit the target to be able to pass and access that all-important fully funded account, but you have no deadline to adhere to. If you want some more information about them, I will include a link below in the description, so make sure you check those out. Meanwhile, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel below, and let's dive into these mindfulness techniques that will harness a sense of calm and cultivate a focused state of mind for you with your trading performance. The first mindfulness technique that we will be looking at is breath awareness. And the key to this is quite simply to focus on your breath. Now, this is a technique that I use especially when I was scalping, which is a more high intense, stressful way to trade, because being able to bring your awareness to your breath can really help you to just slow down. It can help to calm those nerves, those flutters, if you experience sweaty palms or any of those kind of associated body reactions that you get when you get stressed out trading. Being able to become aware of your breath just brings it all down a notch and helps you to find that sense of calm and that center to help you to make better trading decisions. Simply take a few moments to close your eyes, sit comfortably and bring attention to your breath. Notice the sensation of breathing entering and leaving your body. Whenever your mind wanders, just gently bring your awareness back to your breathing and to this process of inhaling and exhaling. This practice helps to anchor you in the present moment, reducing distractions and enhancing concentration during trading. In fact, I have created a separate video which includes a guided meditation specifically for trading to help you with this practice. So I will include a link to that above if that's something you're interested in. Moving on to mindfulness technique number 2, and that is a body scan. Perform a body scan to bring awareness to different parts of your body. Starting with the top of your head, and you slowly move down through your body, just becoming aware of the different parts of your body. So becoming aware of your eyes, your nose, your mouth, your chin, your neck, your shoulders, and as you do, just breathing into those areas and allowing them to relax, continuing this process of scanning your body all the way down through your arms, your hands, your fingers, your stomach, your legs, and finally your feet and your toes. Observing any sensations or areas of tension, and more importantly, just allowing those to relax. This practice helps to build a deeper connection with your body. It can promote relaxation and help to reduce stress and anxiety, especially when trading. Our third technique is acceptance of thoughts and emotions. And this is quite simply the practice of accepting any thoughts and emotions that arise during trading without judgment or attachment. Acknowledge them as passing mental events and just observe them, allow them to pass, but do not actually dive deep into those individual thoughts or emotions. By developing a non-reactive stance with your thoughts and emotions, this can help you to prevent them from influencing your trading decisions. So it helps you to actually go into those individual thoughts or emotions, For example, if you are experiencing doubts about a trade, but this is just based on a fear, maybe you're experiencing FOMO, the fear of missing out, or the fear of losing, by simply observing these but not actually going into them, allow them to pass you by, can help you to not make any decisions based on those feelings, those thoughts, or those emotions. It's super important to observe market data mindfully. Apply mindfulness to your trading activities. So as you are observing the market, as you are carrying out any technical analysis on the price chart or utilizing indicators, simply bring your full attention to the task at hand without developing any kind of bias. So simply ask yourself, what is the market doing? What is it doing in that moment? Not what you think it might do or what you want it to do, but what it is exactly doing right now. This is all about noticing the patterns and any trends and price movements without getting caught up in any speculative bias. This mindful observation enhances your ability to make objective and informed trading decisions. Moving on to technique number 5, this is all about emotional regulation, which we have touched on previously, but essentially mindfulness techniques are all about regulating and becoming aware of emotions, which play a huge part in trading. In fact, being influenced by emotions and trading psychology can be the downfall for most traders. So it is crucial to be able to develop techniques to handle those emotions when trading. When faced with losses or unexpected market movements, simply take a moment to step back, to take a deep breath. Acknowledge any arising emotions such as frustration, anger, or fear, but try not to react impulsively to those emotions. By creating a space between the emotion and your response, you can put yourself in a better place to respond rather than react and make more rational, disciplined trading decisions. My next tip may seem quite obvious, but it's still a really important technique to use, and that is to take mindful breaks. It can be so easy to get addicted to the markets, to spend hours and hours sitting at price charts without you even realizing that the time's flown by. But it's so important to take breaks in those moments of time. Incorporate mindfulness breaks into your trading routine. Even if it's just setting aside a few minutes every hour to just step away from the charts and just take a break, get a bit of fresh air, have a sip of water, and just refresh your mind. You could just go for a quick walk, or you could simply close your eyes and practice some of the breathing techniques that we talked about earlier, or some of the body awareness techniques to just relax and to just heighten your calm, your center, and your focus so that you are more refreshed when you return to the charts to continue your trading practice. These breaks allow you to refocus, recharge, and maintain mental clarity throughout the trading day. And finally, my last mindfulness technique is all about gratitude. I love practicing gratitude. I think it's such an important act to do because there's always something to be grateful for. And the very act of practicing gratitude allows you to welcome more of what you are grateful for into your life. Cultivate a gratitude practice to shift your mindset and to foster a more positive trading experience. Before and after each trading session, just take a moment to think about 3 things that you are grateful for in your trading journey. So this may be access to resources you've been able to use, or it could be some influential people who are helping you. It could simply just be the fact that you have entered onto your trading journey, that you have the discipline to see it through. This practice helps to instill a sense of abundance, of positivity and appreciation, counteracting any negative emotions that may arise during challenging times. It's also really important to just become aware of how far you have grown, how much you have learned, because trading is such a long journey that we can often get caught up in focusing on the destination, on the end result, on X amount of money you want to make, that we may forget just how far we have come already, how much we have grown, how much we have learned. So it's really important to practice gratitude for that. Give yourself a pat on the back and continue going. So in conclusion, mindfulness techniques are a powerful tool to help you enhance your trading performance by developing focus, mental clarity, emotional regulation, and a present moment awareness. Incorporate these practices into your daily trading routine and allow them to become an integral part of your mindset. Remember that mindfulness is a skill. It does take regular practice. Start with short sessions and then gradually improve them over time. By cultivating a mindful approach to trading, you can create a solid foundation for making disciplined and informed trading decisions. Wishing you calmness, clarity, and trading success on your mindful journey. I hope you've enjoyed this video and that you have gained something from it. If you have, do let me know by hitting the like button below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you on my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.